So on today's video, as you can see, we're gonna see how to work the half hexagon. This is good for projects where you do blankets, hexagon blankets, grannies, shawls, scarves, different projects using hexagon to close the end of each side. Sometimes you need to do half ones, so this is essential to learn if you have any project like that. So to see how to achieve this easy half hexagon, stay tuned. So as usual, I'll make a slip knot by turning my yarn and put the yarn thread under and pull it with my hook. Okay, now I'll chain 4. I'll join with a slip stitch to form a circle. It's very similar to when we do the granny hexagon. Now I'll chain 3, 1 double crochet in the circle, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the circle, chain 2 again, and 2 double crochet in the circle. Okay, so this is my first round completed. Now second row, I'll chain again 3, and I'll turn my work. So I chain 3 and I turn my work. Now I'll make 1 double crochet in the same space as the chain 3. So these are counted as 2 double crochet. Now we have 2 spaces here. What we're gonna do is work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in each space in the next 2 spaces. So 1 double crochet in the first space, another double crochet in the same space, chain 2 and 2 double crochet again in the same space. Okay. Now in the next space we'll do exactly the same. 2 double crochet, okay. Chain 2 and 2 double crochet, and at the end of the two last double crochet I will make again 2 double crochet. On top of the initial chain 3. 1 and 2. So it's already forming. So what I did, recap, to start row 2 we made 2 double crochet in chain 3 and 1 double crochet initially. Then in the next space I did 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Then in the next space again I repeated the same, and at the end chain I did 2 double crochet. So again we'll repeat for row 3. I'll chain 3 and I'll turn 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now I have one space here. I'll only do 2 double crochet only. In the next space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So the spaces where you see the corners, you'll make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, just to form the corner for each row. Again I have small space here. I'll only do 2 double crochet. Okay. Again in the corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. One more space here, 2 double crochet, okay. So again 2 double crochet here, and on top of the chain 3 where we started the row, 2 double crochet again. And this is how it looks with row 3. Now on to the last row, which is row 4. Same thing, chain 3, one double crochet in the same stitch. Now we have one space here and we have one space here. What goes there is 2 double crochet in each space only. So 1, 2, the next space 1 and 2. Now this is the first corner. Again 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Now I have again 2 spaces where I'll only do 2 double crochet. And again in the corner 2 2 2 2 DC, 2 chains, 2 DC. You see, it's very easy to achieve. It's not complicated at all. And it gives a nice look to any project we do. I have included the written pattern in my blog, so if you want to follow it with the video, go ahead and press the link in the description box. So now again in the space 2 double crochet, and on top of the chain 3, initial chain 3, I'll put 2 more double crochet. And 2. And this is our hexagon completed, same as this one. If you join them, they will make full hexagon. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the description box. Take care until next time. Bye bye.